Simple Mobile, owned by Verizon, lets you cancel orders, but the process depends on whether it's pending or shipped. A pending order hasn't been processed or shipped yet. Once an order ships, you can't cancel it mid-transit. Instead, you'll need to wait for delivery and then initiate a return. You can cancel it via Simple Mobile's website portal, app, or by calling 1-877-878-7904. Canceling within 24 hours of placing the order is typically free. After that, a $10 restocking fee might apply. Refunds for pending cancellations are issued immediately to your original payment method, minus any non-refundable fees like activation fees. For shipped orders, you have 30 days from receipt to initiate a return. The item must be in original condition, unopened for accessories, and factory sealed for phones. Start the return process through the Simple Mobile online portal to get a return authorization and prepaid shipping label. Once Simple Mobile receives the returned item, refunds are processed within 7 to 10 business days. Note that opened items may incur a restocking fee up to 15%, and initial shipping costs are usually not refunded if you use your own shipping method. SIM cards, once activated, and personalized plans are generally not returnable. Refunds are credited back to the original payment method. Credit cards usually see the refund in 3 to 5 days, while debit cards or bank transfers may take 5 to 10 days. Digital wallets like PayPal may see instant reversals.